wait is over because the website is gg2u.org. Before we go any deeper into the website, let's do something important first. Let's go back to YouTube right now, and we'll go back to that website later on. You can look for the videos that you always watch. I mean, you can watch any video that you like. I think it's important to mention that the website that'll pay you doesn't have a standard amount of payment, as the amount that you'll get depends on the category of videos that you'll watch. There are some categories where the payment is higher compared to the rest. You guessed it right! I'll be sharing the highest paying category later in this video, so make sure that you'll stay with me until the end and do not skip any parts because there are more tips that I'll be sharing throughout the video. One of the best categories that will likely pay you more if you watch it is sports and gaming. Keep that in mind if you want to double or triple the amount that you'll earn from the other website that I mentioned earlier. If you don't know where to find that category, you should look at the tabs on the left side of your screen. You should click on the Explore button. After that, a new page will open up on the right side of your screen. You'll see the trending videos, and there are more categories of videos at the top of the page. There are 4 categories above, such as trending, music, gaming, and sports. You can choose any video under these categories, but remember which category will pay you the highest. Let's try to click on the gaming category and use it as an example for our video. If you click on that, you'll get tons of results. You can watch as much as you can to earn as much as you need or want. If you didn't see any particular video that you like in this category, then feel free to use the search button and look for the video that you want to watch. Another example that we can use is short cat videos. You can type in the keywords in the search box and click on the search button. With this opportunity, you have the option to watch any video that you prefer. Even though you don't watch it and leave it playing, you can still earn, and the other website will pay you no matter what video you watch. Click on any video that you see. As you can see here, even though the length of the video is only 1 minute, you can still get $5 for watching this one. Pause the YouTube video for a moment and go back to gg2u.org. The homepage says that you can earn rewards for taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, and more. You can receive your payment through Bitcoin, PayPal, or e-gift cards. They said that the best payout rate would come from the surveys. You'll only be answering quick and short surveys, so you can try that as well. But we're not focusing on that offer for now. Would you like me to create another video where we'll focus on answering the surveys? Let me know in the comment section below. I bet you're also interested in earning just by playing games, because this is also a great way to pass some time and earn extra bucks at the same time. You can scroll through their website to learn more about the things that you can do here. They have lots of information on their homepage anyway, so make sure to explore it. They also offer a referral program, which is a great way to build a passive income. Whenever people click on the unique link that you'll send them, you'll automatically get a percentage of that. You just have to make sure that you'll attract and convince people to click and sign up using your link. Even with all those ways of earning through this website, we'll focus on watching videos, as many people have said that this is where they pay the most out of all the opportunities that they can offer. To sign up for a free account and have access to your own account, simply fill out the form that you'll see right away once you visit this website. It's at the top of the homepage. Just provide the information that it requires, and once you're done, click on the orange button that says Sign Up for GG2U. You only have to write your name, email address, username, password, and country. As I told you, this website is accessible wherever you are. Once you click on the orange button, you'll be taken to another page. There's a short message that you can read, but basically it's about the percentage that they'll pay you for the different opportunities that they have on this platform. After reading this, you just have to click on another orange button that says Click to continue. Now you have to log into the account that you just created and start your journey to make more money through this online money-making technique. If you log into your account, you'll now see your own dashboard. By the way, when you sign up for a free account, you'll automatically have 100 points, which is equivalent to $1. You only have to earn $6 more to cash out your money through the payment methods that I mentioned earlier. You just have to click on videos, then scroll down. You'll see tons of videos that you can watch, and to get started, just click on the button that says Start Earning beside the video that you want. The best paying category in this platform are live videos, so I suggest that you watch those even if the topic doesn't interest you. That's all I have for you.